Well, I finally got around to putting my 2 sets of gear reduction wheels on the 4-wheel drive Gravely dump truck. And these wheels are the older style with the really thin tread on them, so they're not too wide. But I got both of those on. They went on pretty good. The back set went on pretty easily, and this one went on pretty easily. But the the bearing cap on the end of the axle was a little tight, so I put washers in there just so I can pry it off again, and then I'll have to sand that down so it slips on much easier. And it is pretty slow. It's about the speed of an LS, you know, being an L, cutting the speed down on it. And the tires really don't stick out of the bed too much, obviously, and it's really not as tippy as I thought it was going to be, which is nice too. So I think for the show, for the Gravely mow-in, I'm probably going to run this down with the dual wheels on it, and I'll drive around like that, and I'm debating whether I will or not. I'll probably end up putting the gear reduction wheels on for the pull, just to see how it does. But once again, I'll do a drive video. I got some hill over here that I'm going to climb, and